In order to increase the views, subscribers and click-through rate into your video, you require a good and attractive thumbnail. If you have a good and attractive thumbnail, then there is a high chance people will get attracted to your video, and as a result, you will grow your YouTube channel. So today's video is all about creating a good and attractive YouTube thumbnail using Pixellab or PixArt using your smartphone. So if you are new to our YouTube channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and help it to grow. I am host Milan Gimviray, so without any further ado, let's get started. So for this video, we will use Pixellab. So open the Pixellab and set the image size. Just click in image size and set it out for 16:9 for YouTube thumbnail. Now this is the part where we can edit the whole image for our thumbnail. So to edit the background of the image, you just have to click in this button and choose the color for your background. Now you can choose in plus icon here. Now you can add the elements or photo from the gallery. Here in this video, I'm making the thumbnail for the video how to make a Facebook Reels. So I have downloaded all the logos of Facebook, Reels and everything what I need for the thumbnail. So I simply go to plus icon and add all the elements from the gallery and bring here. Now when you added 2 or more layers, then you can set it out which will come over which one. So you just have to click in this button here and make which one will come over which one. Just scroll it to the top, then that image will come over another. And you also can add the image with no background. So if you don't know to delete the background from the image, then dedicated video will also be provided in our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. So you can add this kind of photos as well. Now the main part where you have to focus is the text. Now text should be very short, eye-catching and bold. So make sure you make the good text with good background as well. If you put the background in the text, then it will look more attractive than the normal text. So now after adding the text element, just click in edit the text. Then you can write whatever you want in that text space. So after you have written something on the text space, then you can change the color of the text as well. So to change the color, click in A button and you can see the color option here, and you can make whatever the color is, and you can set the background for the text as well. So I am selecting the background as well. So for color, you can add any color. You can pick it out from any of the image so that no variant occurs in the thumbnail, so that will be more eye-catching and more unique as well. You can also change the size of the text. So just go to size and you can increase or decrease the size of the text. Also you can change the font of the text. So you just have to go to edit option again and change the font. Finally, after you complete editing, then you just save to gallery and your thumbnail is ready to publish. So if you like our video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and help it to grow. So this is the final product we get today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.